Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the today's video we are going to see what is mean by machine learning and what is mean by deep learning, what are the key differences between them. So let us start with the video. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So basically in machine learning the computers are learning from the data, that is the input provided by the user and the algorithms to perform a task without being explicitly programmed. Whereas in deep learning we are using complex structure of algorithms. It is a combination of different ML algorithms model on the human brain. Now, machine learning is a superset of deep learning, whereas deep learning is a subset of machine learning. In machine learning, there are thousands of data points, whereas in deep learning, there are millions of data points. It is a big data approach. So, the data set is quite large as compared to the machine learning. The output in the machine learning can be a numerical value or a classification score or a group which is being categorized. Whereas in deep learning, it can be anything. It can be a numeric value, it can be an element, it can be a text, it can be image, audio, sound, etc. The machine learning works with the low-end machines, whereas the deep learning needs the machine with the GPU. Means in machine learning, no extra machinery or processors are required, whereas in deep learning the data set is large and the algorithm is vast or lengthy, so we need a GPU or large processors. In machine learning, it will take only few seconds for the execution or more than hours, whereas in deep learning, it may take more than weeks or few hours for processing. Some machine learning algorithms are very easy to interpret and some are difficult, whereas in deep learning, all the deep learning algorithms are difficult to interpret since they are a combination of lengthy and different machine learning algorithm. So this is a pictorial analysis where you can see input, then the feature extraction is done, then the classification or algorithm is applied and the output is generated. Whereas in deep learning, all the stages are combined here. The input is provided to the analysis where the feature extraction and classification, both the things are done in the same page and the output is generated. So this is a basic difference between the machine learning and deep learning. I hope everyone is clear with the idea. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section and connect me on Instagram. The ID is in the description box. Thank you.